ever wanted to set up an appointment with someone but find it hard to find an open slot on both your calendars? Well, this little video shows you an easy way to do that. So imagine you would like to meet with someone and you want to give them a couple choices so you don't email each other back and forth over and over to try to find a common time that will work in both your calendars. Gmail has this really cool feature. If you go down here at the bottom, it'll look like a calendar. If for some reason you don't see that, you just go to the three dots and you would see it. So you're going to click on this calendar icon. You're going to click offer times you are free. Now I said this is for tomorrow, so I'm looking at my calendar for tomorrow. And now I'm going to go here and just select some times that are free. So if I said, I just pretend I have no life. Those are my times. I only want this to take like 15 minutes. And so if I press next right now, if I move this over a little bit, you might see this a little bit better. I'm going to press next. Now, I don't like to title this, so that's how it would come up as the event on your calendar. It would say, let's meet. I would highly recommend you change that so you know what you're discussing, and the person that's signing up will know what they're doing at this time. So I'll just say Apple Classroom meeting with Troy. And from here, you're just going to say add to email. So when you do that, it goes in, you see your email down here where it's giving that person a choice of times that you are available, and they'll have to look at their own Google calendars to see when they're available, and they'll select one of these times. So let's say he chooses this time, then it would automatically go into my calendar that he has signed up for that meeting. It would go on my calendar as an event, and it would go on his calendar as well. I'd get a reminder immediately that, okay, so-and-so has signed up to meet with you at that time. So kind of neat. So if I press send right now, I'm not going to because this is a fictitious meeting. But if I press send, then he would get this email. It'd look just like this. He could sign up and you're all good. So that's how to use that time to meet feature. I think it's kind of neat because the person doesn't see your entire Google Calendar or anything when you're sending something like this. They're just looking at these appointment slots that you set up and said, hey, can you meet at any of these times? It streamlines the process a little bit. So hope that's helpful.